In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your cover photo on Google My Business. Your cover photo is one of the first things people see when they find your business on Google, so it's worth taking a moment to update it and make sure it represents your brand well. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along on your own computer. First, open your web browser and go to Google's homepage. In the search bar, type the exact name of your business, just like your customers would. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that manages your business profile. Otherwise, you won't see the editing options. When your business profile appears on the search results page, look for the editing menu near the top of the business panel. There, you should see an option labeled Photos. Go ahead and click on Photos. This will open a pop-up window showing the images associated with your business. In this pop-up, you'll see your current cover photo. It's usually highlighted or labeled so you can easily identify it. On the card for that photo, look for a button that says Change Cover. Click on Change Cover and the pop-up will refresh to show you the tools for updating the image. Next, click on Select Image. This will open your computer's file browser. Here, navigate to the folder where you've saved the new image you want to use as your cover photo. A good cover image is clear, high quality, and reflects what your business offers, like your storefront, your team, or your products. Once you've found the image you want, click on it to select it, and then press Enter on your keyboard or click the Open button in the file browser. You'll be taken back to the Google My Business pop-up, and you should see the upload begin. Depending on your internet connection and the file size, this might take a few moments. Wait until the image has fully uploaded. You might see a small progress indicator while this is happening. When the upload is complete, your new cover photo will be set on your profile. From this point, there's nothing else you need to do. Simply give Google a little time to process the change. It may not update instantly everywhere, but after a short while, your new cover photo will start appearing on your business profile across Google Search and Maps.